Good morning. Thank you so much for joining us today. We normally don't ever come to you on a Sunday morning, but this is kind of special circumstances. We're in Tulsa, and Sandy and I did a live video yesterday. But today I want to introduce you to my sweet friend, Carmen.
Good morning. How are you?
Carmen, you've been on a live video with us before.
Yes, I have.
But I thought it would be fun to have someone who hasn't seen at all what's in the December box help us do the unboxing today, because you know, I think our people are dying to know what's in there. And so let's get started.
That would be good.
I would say our box is red this time. We don't even have a label made on this box yet. It is brand new. Our brochures are not here yet, but there's goodies in here. So let's see what's in
I'm
here.
excited. Let's start.
Okay, go ahead. We'll open it up.
Oh, look at the paper. Look at this paper.
Well, we love pretty paper, and we shop just as hard for the paper and the boxes as we do for the product in the boxes. So we did seal this one, it looks like. So we'll have to just tear that one open. Let's see what is in here.
Oh, look at this. Oh, how great. Oh my goodness.
Fun. Isn't that fun to just open it up and
I gotta
see
put
what's
my
in?
glasses on. Oh, this is so neat.
Okay, well, I think you were with me when we ordered these. Carmen has a beautiful shop in Grove, Oklahoma. She's also our booth buddy. We were neighbors
Yes.
across the aisle, but we also shopped together at Market. And so I think you were with us when we bought these.
Yes.
We ordered them long ago, but peppermint bark chocolate, you can't go wrong with that.
Oh, Becky, look at this. Oh, look at this. Oh.
Isn't that so cute?
Is that's like a soap?
It is not a soap. I'll tell you
Oh.
what this is. This is a friend of ours, Suzanne, who you know. She has a store in Colorado. They sell hundreds of these every year, but this is our first year to have them. This is a dehydrated grapefruit half. Of course, the fruit is used for canning purposes, and then they get the grapefruits, and it's filled with spices to spice up your hot cider.
Oh.
So you put the entire thing in your cider, and it flavors it, and it's delicious.
Oh,
So,
and how beautiful!
isn't it so cute?
How
And we do
neat.
have these for sale separately at the shop, but so cute to come in your package this month.
Oh,
We're
this
always
is
looking
great.
for unique things.
That's very unique. I've never seen anything like that.
Okay, well, let's talk about this one next.
Oh, that is
So I want you to
beautiful.
hold this. This is called a cozy mug. No, you're going to put your hand
like this.
like that.
Oh, I like that.
So that keeps your hand warm as you're sipping your hot chocolate, your coffee, your apple cider. These are handmade.
Oh, this is beautiful.
And these are imported by another person that you know, Brenda from Opportunities, is who imports these. And but yeah, great little
And you
item.
can hold it so comfortable.
Yes.
This is really beautiful. Really,
Comes in,
really beautiful.
It's handmade. It comes in several
Different
colors. So I'm not sure what color you'll get in your box, but they're all beautiful.
Oh, it is gorgeous.
So okay, I'll let
It
you
is
pick the next
gorgeous.
thing.
Of course, yes. Oh, I love this.
So.
This is so pretty.
And I think you were with us when we ordered this too.
That is beautiful.
But this you can hang just in a wreath or anywhere in your house on your tree. But we wanted your box to jingle jangle as it came to you this time. So that's a fun little item in it.
And look, more.
More. But wait, there's more. This is a packet of ooey gooey chocolate brownies that you make in the microwave in your cozy mug.
Oh.
And so that's why we put that in.
Oh, yummy.
And this is again from another friend, Molly, who owns Molly and You, and they do all types of mixes like beer bread, soups, all dips, all kinds of things.
Yummy.
But this is her newest thing, and she's gone nationwide. She was from a little town like Storm Lake, Iowa, and yeah, now her things are sold in stores all over the United States.
Well, that
I'm not sure if you know her.
Yeah,
or not.
I don't think so. I
Okay.
don't think I know.
We'll have to introduce you next time.
Yes. Oh, what is this?
Okay, this is, we had this packaged for us, and what does that say?
Oh, sipping chocolate.
Yes.
Oh, and look at that label. I love it.
So this is obviously a hot chocolate mix, because you've got to have hot chocolate
Yes.
to drink out of your mug. Just
Oh,
have to.
how
But this is a single lady owner that she makes these. She's from the Dallas area.
This
So.
is, and there's still more. Guys.
There's still more. Okay, well, Sandy's standing right over here, but Sandy's had just cracking dry hands, and we're all kind of suffering from that this
Yeah.
week. But this is peppermint lotion, and then a peppermint lip balm to keep your hands soft and your lips moisturized during Christmas. And it's just so
and the
pretty.
label. Oh, this is
So
really
pretty.
unique. And everything. Oh, you've done a great job. And there's still more.
There's still more.
Oh.
Down here, because let's get cozy. We were just talking this morning. We were having some coffee. We're talking about it would have been nice if we could have watched a Hallmark movie, but the house that we rented didn't have a Hallmark channel. So we've included a Hallmark movie called A Christmas Melody, starring Mariah Carey, and yeah.
Oh, how
so that
neat.
You can make that a part of your Christmas tradition. It's just fun to go home and snuggle up, have your brownie, watch a Hallmark movie.
I am going to order this box. This is so neat.
You don't have to order. This will be your box.
No.
Yes.
That is.
But isn't that
How
fun?
how thoughtful. My goodness.
Fun.
You have to. And what is this?
Okay, so I know you were with me when we were looking for this,
Yes.
because we looked all over. I knew exactly
my.
what I wanted, and you and I shopped and shopped and shopped for this summer.
Yes, and the colors and all the things that you can do.
We're going to
with
talk
it.
about this last,
Yes,
because there's
yes.
still a couple
More?
of items. There's more.
Oh my goodness.
So, you know how, I don't know if anyone else does this, but I gift wrap on Christmas Eve like a crazy
yes.
woman in the store, and I never have nice labels. I always just use sticky, Post-it notes. This is 60 gift labels. They're really cute, and so, yeah, we all need these. We all need these.
Yes.
So we included that just for that, and there's...
Oh my goodness.
That is the end, I think, the last item, but a magnetic notepad so that you can make your list,
And
make your list for Adrians, check it twice, and
It's fabulous.
Isn't it a fun box?
Oh, and there's so many things and things
So,
that you don't
cool.
have the time to go and look for.
absolutely.
Oh,
But we're
Vicky,
gonna
this is awesome.
put this all back in because
Okay.
I want you to show. I'm gonna show you a couple of ways to use your blanket scarf.
Yes.
So we'll repack this nice for you later.
Oh, this is
So,
an awesome box.
Here,
Beautiful.
we're gonna just use
beautiful
this
box.
table.
Okay. Let's
Okay, so we've included a blanket scarf, and some people are confused as to what you would do with this giant scarf. And now I wish I wouldn't have had a scarf on. But one of the easiest ways is to just fold it like a triangle, gather it up, put it around
put
your
it
neck,
around your neck.
and tuck the ends in. Ugh. Well, I've got a lot of scarf going on under it too, but I mean, just easy. And on our blog post, we've included a link of 10 ways to wear a blanket scarf. But I wanted you to show another way to use a blanket scarf.
Okay, the one I'm going to use I'm going to show you the one at the table because I use this for everything at the house. But on your table, just do it square like this, and then start wrinkling. Okay, wrinkling. Of course, this is a small table, and it still looks pretty cute. And then you just put a base or something in the middle.
Well, we'll have to make a little spot for it.
And see how cute. So now you have a. You can use it around
Isn't
your
that
table.
beautiful? And at the store we've got beautiful like Christmas lanterns, candles, a floral centerpiece.
Yes.
Any of that would look beautiful on your table. You can also fold it so it can be a tree skirt.
Yes.
And so there's lots of ways to use it. It's a great thing to take on a trip, wear it
Yes.
as a scarf on the plane, because you
Yes.
can't have carry-ons anymore, very
Yes.
many. So if you're headed home for Christmas, take this blanket scarf with you. It's a great way to snuggle up on a plane or in the car. So there's just a lot of ways that you can wear a blanket scarf.
Absolutely.
So, anyways.
I love this December box.
I do too.
You
I
have
do too.
picked everything so
Well,
beautiful, so
work-
perfect.
we spend a lot of time finding fun things.
I know you work very hard doing that. That I know.
So thank you for
Oh, my
guest
goodness.
hosting.
Oh,
I love
you're
it.
welcome. I love it. And get the box. I mean, the things are fabulous. Really
So,
fabulous.
Thank you. We're going to go get some breakfast.
Well,
we're headed to Route 66 to go get some breakfast here. But I want to thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you to Carmen,
Oh my goodness.
who we just love spending time with here. And to all of our other friends here in the house. It's been just so much fun to get together and be together this weekend. And we hope that you'll see us soon at Adrians in downtown Buhler. You can order the box at shopadrians.com. And we'll be doing a blog post later today or tomorrow. But just go to shopadrians.com. It's an awesome box. And they're $42. We never mentioned the price.
Beautiful.
Or $35 if you become a subscriber, and we hope you'll do that. So thank you so much. We'll see you next
The
time.
shop is great. Go. It's beautiful.